Welcome back to the shop. And today I'm gonna go to work on a screwing operation, and more or less I want to be sure that the torque on those screws are properly tightened. So there is some rules regarding the bolt and the tapping operation, and I will share with you a document that I use, and I received information from a French customer. There is a website. The name is somewhere here. So Techno Calcul, and this website is about to make some very good calculation about the screwing link and the torque and everything around the metric things. So what I did with this website, I check what the screw is able to receive as an effort, and the calculation give me that I need to put a torque of 18.71 Newton meters. So let's say something like 19 or 20 Newton meters. So this website gives you these things. It's also check that you will not break the screw. And when you do such calculation, I did that in the past when I was working in the automotive business, and especially on the engine. We use this type of things, applying a special torque to be sure that the screw is properly tightened, and there is a kind of elongation in the screw, and this elongation work as a big spring, and you do not have any unscrewing linked to this thing. So the purpose of this torque, of this calculated torque of 18 Newton meters, I need to be sure that I apply this torque on the CNC machine, especially on the screw where I will not have access when the machine will be in place. So I have a torque wrench here, and let me show you how it works. With this torque wrench, you can adjust here the torque you need in a very precise way. So I will use this torque wrench to make the job and make some testing before, because I do not want to break any screw inside the CNC. But I have a little concern. The type of screw I use are those one, and the tool needed to make the screwing operation is this one, and it does not fit to the torque wrench here. So the torque wrench is a quarter square, and I have this type of things that I can put on a torque wrench like that, but the tool does not enter inside. So what I need to do, I need to grind a little bit the tool, and to be sure that it will work and enter this this way. So I will do the grinding operation and then share with you the the way I set up the torque wrench, and how we can apply the 19 Newton meters as a torque on a screw. Okay, I will shut off the camera and be back in a while. So I just grind, as you can see here, the end of the tool, and now I can insert it inside. As you can see here, the adapter, and now I can mount it on the torque wrench. So to make the setup quite easy, you just have to turn here the black handle and adjust the torque. And so you can see here there is 10, 20, and we say that we will have 19. So we have this scale below to reach the proper value we need. So I will make the setup and try to see if the thing is okay. So I will put the camera on foot. It will be better like that. So let me check. Like that. Get a good orientation. Where's the CNC? Just there. Okay. So there is a locking system here on the back. So first you unlock the thing and then you make the setup. So I reached 10. You can see. Let me put some light. It's better. So the unlocking system, and I reached 10 this way. So if you look at the square, (11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then I lock the torque wrench this way, and the tool is ready to use. So I unscrew and then I will screw it again. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Job done. So it's a good way to know if the torque is applied properly. And I will check the screw I made yesterday, so I was able to make 2 or 3 turns more. Yes. Okay. So it's a pretty good tool, and if you make the proper calculation and you have the proper tool, you can make a very good job. The other thing that you need to know about the torque wrench: never try to go higher regarding the torque, because the calculation is made to have the proper torque. If you go higher, you will be sure to break the screw or break something inside the tap also. So just make the proper calculation and adjust the torque, and do not put more torque that's required in the calculation. So thanks for watching, and see you for the next episode.